This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Nissan Rogue brake light. First, ensure you have a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb, which is typically a 7440. Open your vehicle's rear hatch to gain access to the taillight assembly. You will see two screws that secure the entire taillight unit. Removing these screws is the first step to a quick and easy replacement. Once you have your tools ready, use the Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove the two screws. After the screws are out, gently pull the taillight assembly straight back from the vehicle. It might feel a little snug, but a firm, steady pull will release it. Then, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small tab and pulling it apart. This gives you full access to the bulbs. With the taillight assembly free, locate the brake light bulb socket. Give it a quarter turn counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing. Now, simply pull the old 7440 bulb straight out of the socket. Take your new 7440 bulb and push it firmly into the socket until it's seated correctly. This ensures a good electrical connection for your new light. Now, twist the bulb socket clockwise to lock it back into the taillight housing. Reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks into place. Align the taillight assembly with its mounting points and push it back into position. Reinsert and tighten the two Phillips head screws. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Test your new brake light to confirm it works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.